Good morning, everybody, on this beautiful morning. No sun today, but we'll have sun tomorrow. We're gonna do these two trees right here. They're not too complicated. The only problem is because there's wires everywhere. Wires everywhere on both sides. So you see all those wires up there? Things went really well. All right, guess let's put some dirt. Let's put some dirt over here. Yeah, you see how we sunk a little bit right here? We'll fix that up. You guys come with us to the next one. Look how good that looks. Everything's done here. That's what the client wanted. Want to get it out of the wires. All right, off to the next one. We're gonna do this big hedge job here. We got a problem, the ground is so soft, we can't get the vans in here. We're gonna have to stop the van at the trees. So I got Jill here climbing this. We'll be able to pull the van up right up to about here. So they got a fence here, a deer for the deer in the winter. We're gonna take it down for them. We'll pull out, we'll use the boom vans here. Fix it all up. Really soft. So we can use the vans, from the driveway. All right, we just finished it up. Everything's all done here. I don't think it's been done in a couple of years. Like I was saying, the land is soft. We didn't bring the vans down in the back. We took off the net at the bottom. We didn't bring the net. See where we made a couple marks here. Put some dirt. But we cut it all the way. Make it look good. Pretty high though. High stuff. Yeah, so you guys come along with us. We'll show you everything we got going on. Beginning of the season, we're just starting our spring here. We haven't got any really big heat yet. I mean over 15, which would be about 60 Fahrenheit. Maybe this week. All right, next one.